So here's how, guys, you can go ahead and pause your Google Ads campaign. So your Google's account, you want to click on the campaigns icon. You'll see it's just like this. And just go ahead and click the campaigns option in the drop down in the sections menu. Okay. Click on campaigns, and then next to each campaign name, you'll basically see a colored dot indicating the status of each of your campaigns. And if you want to change a campaign status, you just click on the status icon. Then you click one of the following. So basically, if you want to go ahead and pause your Google Ads, you just want to click on pause to place the campaign on hold. Okay. And if you want to do it for several campaigns, what you can go ahead and do is click campaigns, and then for each campaign that you want to update, select it by checking the box at the left. And after you selected every campaign, click on edit and select pause. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.